Hi, welcome back to Nathan Trinity Vandalu. So even today we're going to make some protein rich food. I always believe that when we eat good amount of protein and eat less carbohydrates, it automatically works on your weight management. Okay. So here is మనం చేసేది fish dalcha. Normally మనము veg dalcha, chicken dalcha తింటూనే ఉంటాం mutton dalcha. But this fish dalcha is something different from all other dalcha what you must have eaten. Okay, దీంట్లో chana dal is there, which is also having good amount of protein, and then we have fish, and then we have bottle gourd, and then we have some green leaf vegetables. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so munduga one basin dal, and then half cup tuvar dal. So if you want to use only basin dal, that is also fine, and then soak it, wash it and soak it for half an hour. Okay, so mana dal already soak ayindi manchiga, so we can keep it for half an hour, 1 hour. Okay, and then we are just putting little water in it. So ade reetiga I have taken lauki, bottle gourd, so this is around half I have taken. Okay, so both of them now we will put in the cooker. So we are placing both of them together in the cooker only to save the time. Okay, so now lauki lo nenu water veyaledu. Okay, so now we will keep this for 2 whistles high and one whistle sim. Okay, so munduga 2 tablespoon of oil, not much. Okay, I'm putting little hing, and then mana talimpu ginjalu, mustard, jeera, okay, bay leaves, okay, and then this is ginger, garlic and chilli paste. Okay, onion roughly chopped, and then for 2 minutes. I'm adding curry patta. I've added curry patta. As always, curry patta chala manchidi for hair. And then we are adding 1 tomato. Okay. So taginanta uppu, and then I'm putting mirchi powder, 2 spoons, and then I'm putting chicken masala. Any chicken masala is fine, 1 spoon, and half spoon garam. 1 cup of tamarind water, tamarind pulp. Okay, so bring everything together and let it cook for 2 minutes. Bandaram. So deenko oka boil vachesindi. So now we're going to put 1 cup of chopped sukka aku. This is actually called in Hindi hambat sukka, ambat sukka. Okay, so దీన్ని ఒక కొద్దిసేపు దీన్ని ఉడకనేసాను. ఓకే, ఒక 5 minutesలో అది ఉడికిపోతుంది ఆకు కూరగాయల. ఓకే, సో ఇప్పుడు ఐఎమ్ పుట్టింగ్ ఫిష్ ఇన్ టు ఇట్. నార్మలీ మనము మంచి పీసెస్ ఉంటాయి కదా, దట్ వీ కెన్ ఫ్రై ఇట్ అండ్ ఈట్. సో వాట్ ఎవర్ టేల్ అండ్ అదర్ పార్ట్స్ దేర్, వీ కెన్ జస్ట్ పుట్ దిస్ ఇన్ అవర్ దాల్చా. సో ఫిష్ విల్ టేక్ అనదర్ 10 minutes to boil. Okay, so I'm in this point I'm going to put little water, boil to the fish. Okay, always cook fish in a wide pan so that it will have space to cook. Close the lid and cook for another 10 minutes. Mana dal already udikipoyinayi after 2.5 whistles, so we'll just smash it. So mana fish almost udikipoyindi. Now in this we are going to add the mashed dal mixture. Okay, so dal mixture eseka let's get one boil. So we'll just cook it for another 5 minutes. Okay, so mana boil vachesindi. So now I'm just adding this lauki, bottle gourd. So ఇది already ఉడికిపోయింది కాబట్టి there is no need to cook it again. Okay, so ఇంకొక బాయిల్ వచ్చాక we will just add garlic. So now 1 boil కూడా వచ్చేసింది. So I am putting kasturi methi. Okay, so if you want to put coriander you can put. I am not putting coriander. Okay. So the reason behind putting lot of veggies and fish is to give a good proteinaceous and healthy food. I'm telling you, fish lo already manchi protein undi, omega fatty acids unnai, and not only that, even in our pale bhaji sukka aklo it is a good fiber. And then dal, tuar dal and chana dal is also having a good amount of protein. I tell you, this is the best proteinaceous food. You can have it with rice or you can have it with some paratha or some this. Okay, I hope you all will enjoy this. Please see it, make it, and let me know how it is. So I hope you all enjoyed my video. Please make it at home and you let me know that how it was, how was the taste and all. And please like, share and comment on my video. Thank you so much.